Let's now go a perpendicular line, perpendicular to that line, and it's got to be through that point. Okay, we're going to go through exactly the same steps, except we've now got a different gradient. So what is the new gradient? Remember I said, I can rub this out now, I've seen this enough. Remember I've said, to calculate the gradient of a perpendicular line, you do what?
Uniform.
Calculate the gradient. I know my gradient is 9/5. My M2 needs to be perpendicular to that.
So -1 over.
-1 over that.
Yeah.
What's that?
-9 over 5. No.
No.
9 divided by 5 first, so you
Just give you a tip. When you've got -1 over a fraction, you flip the fraction and you make it negative. That's all it is. Okay, the inverse of a fraction is the inverse of a fraction. Okay? Inverse of a fraction is, you flip it,
have to cut this
and
one.
in this case it's negative. Any questions about that?
Wait, what was that side for again?
So this is where remember I said before, so parallel lines that their gradients are equal.
Yeah.
Perpendicular lines, one gradient is the same as -1 of the other gradient. Okay? You'll need it.
So that side's all done.
Sorry?
Is that side done?
Yeah, so this, oh, I finished this one. This is parallel over here. Done. So that's the line that is parallel. I'll finish that one. I'll move on to the second question now. Sorry. So my question asks two parts. What is the line that is parallel to that one we had? 9x minus 5y minus 22 equals 0. Yep, I've asked, let's calculate two more lines. One that is parallel to that one through the point 1, 2. And that's that one. And then what is the line perpendicular to the original line? Through, I'm just starting that now. Okay? And I'm just reminding you how we calculate the perpendicular gradient. -1 over the first gradient. -1 over this gradient becomes this. Okay? And then we use what? I've got a point, I've got a gradient. What formula am I using? Have I got 2 points? No, can't use 2 point formula. Point gradient form, exactly the same as over here. We're just now dealing with a different gradient. We've got the same types of information. I've got a point, I've got a gradient, we use point gradient formula. Okay? So again, what's that point gradient formula? It's up on the board. You've got to remember it though. What is it?
Y1.
Y minus Y1.
Equals M times
X minus X1. That's got to stick in your memory. You've got to be able to pull that out quickly in an exam. Okay? What am I putting in?
M2.
M2.
Yes, well let's start from the beginning. What am I writing?
Y minus
Sorry, I'll rub the point off before, that's the point. 1, 2.
2 equals -5 over 9. Bracket X minus 1.
Awesome. It's actually the same as this line over here, except just a different gradient. Because we're going through the same point, we're just now saying a different gradient.
Yeah.
Okay? So exactly the same steps we'll go through. We'll add 2 to both sides. -5 over 9. X minus 1 plus 2. Let's expand the bracket. -5x over 9 plus 5 over 9 plus 2. How do I add those two together now?
That's
15 over
18.
9.
So what did I do over here?
5.
What's the red bit?
Make the equivalent.
Make the equivalent fraction with the same denominator.
18
So
over 9.
18
So it's 18 over 9. So I'm going to rewrite this as 18 over 9.
So 23 over 9.
Okay? So y equals negative 5x over 9 plus 18 over 9. Just for a bit of fun, let's put that in general form.
Just for a bit of fun.
I'm a simple kind of guy. It's not kind of fun. It's actually really easy. Multiply by the denominator. Get rid of it. Get rid of the denominator. So everything, multiply everything by 9. By 9. By 9. So it's 9y equals negative 5x plus 18. I just got rid of everything.
Where'd the first 5 over 9
Wait.
go?
Where?
How come 5 over 9 plus 18 over 9 is just 18 over 9?
Oh,
Shouldn't it be 23 over
yeah,
9?
sorry.
Yeah.
You spooked me, sir.
And what about
Sorry.
what about the other side with, shouldn't it be 9 times 9 for y? Because you've times it twice by 9?
No, I'm just multiplying
We haven't
everything by
times
once.
twice by 9.
Oh, just
Just
once
once,
you've done it, yeah.
Let's multiply everything by 9.
Okay.
So it's 9y, and then it gets rid of those denominators. And then we just move everything to one side. It's 5x plus 9y minus 23 equals 0. General form.
That's your answer.
Sorry?
Is that your answer?
And so it all depends on what it asks for. If it doesn't ask, you choose.
Yeah.
Either these two answers right, unless it tells you.
So we left that one in general, but we left that one.
Just because I want a bit more fun.